Hello and welcome to our tutorial about accessing patient forms and records. First, you can point your browser to your team portal. Usually it's team.whatever your domain is, yourdomain.com. For example, team.caringdoctors.com. And then you need to log in with your primary G Suite ID. For example, drjones@caringdoctors.com. So at the top of your homepage on your team portal, you're going to see section dedicated to patient records and forms. This is the area where you can access all the forms and files and notes that were uploaded or submitted through your public website. So you have an online forms page and you have an upload portal on your website. So all the forms that were submitted through your online forms page and all the notes and files that were submitted through your upload portal can be accessed through this section. First, we will explore workflow management portal. You can open the workflow management portal by clicking on the link, or you can also open it by clicking on the button. So when you open it, you're going to see a history of all the patient forms and notes and files received through your public website. You can also use this portal to track and update the status of handling each of the received forms or notes or files. So after you click on the workflow management portal link or a button, it will open up a workflow tracking portal window where you can see a timestamp of when individual form or record was received, information about patients such as patient full name, first name, last name, patient date of birth, and type of form that was received. It could be upload form, which can be used to upload files or notes, or it could be one of the forms that used by your practice, such as new patient form or patient history form. In order to display details about specific form, you need to select a row for that form, and then you need to click on the OfficeFLO menu and select View Information about selected patient. It will prompt you to verify that you selected the patient that you want, and if you want to proceed, you can click here and it will open the page with content of the form, information about received files or notes. So in this case, we open the new patient form for this patient, and you can print this form for your patient to sign if you want to have a signed hard copy, or you can go back and look up another patient. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you're going to see all the files that have been uploaded for this patient to date. So in this case, we have one of the images, John Doe eval, that you can click on and you can open to see the details. If you click on a status cell, you can select one of the predefined values. For example, it can be unprocessed, or being reviewed, or following up, or completed. You can set up as many different type of status values for your practice as needed. For example, we're going to choose following up, and then you can select a specific staff member who is handling this patient record that was received through the website. For example, it could be Margaret in this case. So if we go back to the home page on your team portal, we can look at individual patient forms or individual upload forms that were submitted with notes or files. Similarly, you can click on the link or you can click on the button. It will open up the window where you can enter patient's last name or few characters from the patient's last name, and then you can press the button Get Patient Data, and it will show that it's retrieving the data. You'll need to wait until it opens up the next dialog window. There you can select which form you can display. So you need to select one of these radio buttons for whichever forms you'd like to see the content for, and then you click on Display Data for Selected Patient button, and it will bring up the content of that form. And again, you can print it out, you can review that. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments. Feel free to call or text us, chat with us online, or email us at support@antraspace.com.